out here with the Mavic Mini, the legend. Okay, I'm out here with the Mavic Mini. This is the first flight since I got it all soaking wet. So we're gonna see if there was any effect of that. Now, I threw it in the dashboard of the car and dried it out pretty quick, but I mean, you never know. So I wanna try it out, see what happens. Let's go for it. Home point updated. Indeedy. There it is. Well, it doesn't seem to have any ill effects so far. Okay. Got some nice orange trees out there already. Look at that. See them over there? Nice. Whoop. Okay, so dropped out the transmission already. That's never happened this close. Let me take a look up there. Okay. I don't know about these Yagis. I hear a helicopter. Or no, that's a biplane. I'm gonna wait till he's turning the other way. Is he into a crash landing there? Or I don't know what he's doing. Okay, let me head on out a little bit more. Okay, signal's looking good. Now usually when I'm out here, I'll start getting some breakup right when I get out to that little building with the red roof on it. That's the little fireman training center. Okay, so there's something happening down there at the bottom of the screen. I don't know what that is. That keeps happening anyway. It's like it doesn't know where the compass is or which way the heading's going. So far as nobody has been able to tell me what that's about. Not sure what that means. Okay, so it's coming. That disappeared now. I didn't see that any drop off in the transmission. Oh, there's a big, oh man, that was close. Okay, so that was like real close. Okay, so it's starting to get to be fall, so you'll get these migrating birds now. And they'll be running around in these big schools or flocks or whatever they call it. So it seems okay, but I keep getting that red thing coming up over there in the corner or at the bottom of the screen. There it is again. Just don't know what that is when it does that. Just don't know what that is. Alrighty. Seems okay. I don't see any ill effects of the flight, of the getting all wet. So that seems to be a good deal. I'm gonna cut the video. Okay, so there it goes. Mavic Mini, the king. This is the king of all drones. Indeedy. Alright guys, there you go. Mavic Mini. No ill effects of the flight in the where the water was or whatever, but you know, these Yagis, I don't know about these things. You know, who knows? Alright guys, have a nice day, man. I'll talk to you later.